Hey y'all, you're welcome to Web3 Bro once again. If you know about Verychat, you will know it's legit and currently trending. Okay, so you may have been asking, how can I get started with Verychat? So I'm going to take you step-by-step process on how you can get started from start to finish and how you can claim your first 300 free Very. All right, now, so what you're gonna do next is to click on the download app right here. Okay, click on this one. That's right here. Download from here, and you're gonna get your 300 Very. So if you are on this channel for the first time, this is Web3 Bro, and we post everything about making money online, from crypto to affiliate marketing to digital products to investment website you can make money from, and that's about it. So if you're interested in learning about things like that, click the subscribe button and then turn the notification bell, and then we will see in more video often. All right, so let's continue. Click on download. It will redirect you to to Play Store. So all you're gonna do is to click on install. Okay, click on install. So it has been installed. All you're gonna do is to click on open, right, to open up. The link will be in the description below. The link you're gonna get started with this stuff will be in the description below, the first link. So you're gonna give the app permissions. Okay, permission to battery optimization, physical activity, fitness, step notification, harvest notification, camera access, photo library access. Click on OK. Click on allow. Allow. Okay, so I'm taking it step by step so that you understand how this is done, so you won't get stuck. All right, so the only way you can get started with this app is to continue with your Gmail. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to continue with my Gmail account, and then I will continue the video. So having continued with my email, so I'm brought here after I clicked on agree and continue. So what would you like to be called? And I said I want to be called Web3 Bro, right? That's what I want to be called, and then I click on confirm. So please create your ID. So the ID is going to be Web3 Bro, right? Then you go and click on confirm, and then the required stuff is right here, required terms and service. So you go and click on the first one, required terms and service. You scroll all the way down, and that's it. Then go back. Okay, this is required, so you go and click agree to all. This one here, this guy, click on the guy, agree all. Right, you click on that, then you click on agree and complete sign up. So 100 Very is yours. Okay, I think that's been reduced because of the increase in price, because the thing is increasing in price every day. So if you had joined earlier, you would have received 300 Very tokens. All right, so what it is now, I've been given 100 instead of 300, like said before. So let's click OK and continue. So now, shall we explore Verychat? Get 10 Very. Okay, let's check this. I think I've been given the 300. Let's check it out. Here, right here. All right, I've been given the 300. So you click on history. Okay, let's leave that for now. And then you can start mining by planting a seed. You click in the middle right here, all right, the middle right here. Click on it. You start mining. See that now? So the mining has started. So the mining is ending in 11 hours 59 minutes. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is to click on lucky box right here. The finger is pointing to lucky box. You click on lucky box right there, and then on lucky box with guaranteed rewards. Okay, so all we have right here is no 0 days to go, so one very 90% and all of that. And then you can click on 10x chance. Let's see, have instant harvest use now. All right, so that means I've upgraded my tree. Okay, so I click on it. You received 10 very tutorial completed. Okay, so this is more like tutorial. Okay, you plant again, so it has been planted. Then you can look at rain, look at booster, just like you've been doing with the normal Telegram tapping games. Yeah, it's the same thing. You have other rewards that are pending, waiting for you. Okay, so this app is like Sweatcoin. Remember Sweatcoin? Sweatcoin, you can actually make money from it, just like Sweatcoin, by your walking steps. Each movement you make every day is counted for you. You are earning very tokens each time you make a move. Okay, so that means that your data may be on frequently, so that your steps can be counted. And then we have boosters right here. We have boosters here. We have rain, so we're going to check the two out right now. Let's check rain first. Add, watch add to get rain cloud. Okay, so that's it, but I'm not going to do that, but you can do that in your spare time. I don't want to waste my time right now. So booster, click on booster. Watch add also. You can watch up to 2 minutes, up to 2 times during mining. Okay, 2 times only during mining, so that it can boost your mining rate. That's what it is. That's for that. And then you see this place that you see this place you see mining power x1. Click on that place. Now, my level is level 1. Friends to level up is only 1. Current mining power is x1. Next level mining power is x3. So for me to boost my mining, I have to invite friends. Okay, so that I'll click on invite friends. That's why I'm going to put my link in the description below so you can get started. All right, so and do that. Or you can click here to increase your. I got mine here, as you can see, verychat.io with 3 bro. That's it. You guys, what you're gonna see in the description below. And then if you click here, this place you see invite here, the same thing. You can invite right here. Okay, is the same thing. You can invite right here. You click Verychat for you and your friends. So that means when the friend gets started, I'm gonna receive 300 from the friend as well. All right, so that's it. So let's continue. Let's continue. So the notification that told me I should allow harvest, I clicked on allow. So you must allow it so you'll be able to harvest your earnings. Okay, so as you can see this place, you see 2.4, right? That is the rate of Verychat you're going to be earning, I think, per hour. Yeah, per hour, or per 12 hours. That's what you're going to be earning. And then if you click on where you see rewards, I'm just trying to do a navigation for you. Okay, so click on rewards. When you click on rewards, you will see harvest at Very. You will see lucky cookies, which I have one. And then you can also have daily streak. And then watch this. For you to be able to withdraw your earning, for you to be able to do your KYC and then get your earning to your account, external account, you have to have 30 days streak at least. Okay, 30 days streak. All right, so these are the steps you're gonna have, and this is the streak you're gonna have whenever you're making a move. All right, and then there are other options available here. So click and view all available missions. Let's click and see available mission coming soon. You see, so the platform is still new. It's still new. So what I invested was very harvest is 2.4, tutorial reward is 10, friend invite reward is 300. All right, so that is it. So credit, I have no credit yet. So everything is literally free on the platform. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, get started, start mining Verychat today. Yeah, remember Pi. So you have a wallet here also. You have a wallet here. It's called Verypay. Can't see your existing webpin wallet due to temporary error or whatever. Close. So create wallet. You can create wallet in 5 seconds. I would actually do this later, not now because time has gone already. Do this later, step by step on how to create your wallet in 5 seconds. All right, or maybe you can do that now. Just create on wallet. I will enter my 6 pin. So my wallet creation is complete just within few seconds. What I did is I entered 6-digit pin. After entering the digit pin, all you have to do is to enter the email you used in registering the app and a backup email address. From there, you can now click on verify. You will now be completed. So all you need to do right now is to click on go to wallet. Okay, I have to unlock again. So this is the wallet. This is how the wallet works. So this is Verychat chain, and this is USDT BNB smart chain. Okay, so sending assets that are not on the list may result in permanent loss. So this is it. You can receive Verychat here from another user instantly. Okay, yeah. You can also receive USDT from another user. All right. So that's how it works. That's how it works. So you can send Verychat from here to another wallet. All you have to do is to enter Verychat ID in full, the person's ID, all right, or wallet address, anyone is perfect. And then you send your Verychat to anybody. It can happen. You can sell it to anyone you want to sell it to. So I'm talking to you right now. This is already active. So I'm doing almost everything I need to do with the video so that you can get everything 100%. Let's go back. Our mining is going on. So I think that's all about the video. Okay, if you click on channels here, the channel here, the popular channel, you can chat. People are chatting right here, as you can see. People are chatting. Or you click on chat. You can start a new chat. You can chat by clicking here, this place. All right, you can start it by clicking. They just click on the plus button, and then you can now please enter nickname. You see, so this is my upline right here. So when you register, you can chat with me directly. So I can click on trade, and then I will now say okay. As my upline, I can now say okay. So I can now send him a chat. Hello, upline. I send it to him. When he comes online, he will reply me. That's what's up. So you can connect with other people on the platform. So that is about Verychat. So if you like the video, if the video provide value, please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe, and the link is in the description below. Click the link, get started, and then we will see in another video. Thanks for watching.